Hello friends and welcome to Guess the Animal. Remember the animal's body parts. Read and listen and guess the animal. Ready? Let's play. Round number 1. It's long, it hasn't got legs or arms, it has got scales and it is a reptile. What animal is it? Yes, the correct answer is snake. 1 point. Let's go to the next one. Round number 2. It lives in the ocean, it has got scales and it is big. It isn't a fish and it has got sharp teeth. Good, the answer is shark. 2 points. Now, let's go to round number 3 and the last one. What animal is it? Of course, it's an elephant. Very good. 3 points. Thank you for playing and see you next week. Remember to count your points.